Hello everyone and welcome to Sparkle English. Today's mini lesson is on the difference between it's and its. It is very common for English language learners to get confused how to spell or use these words correctly, since they are homophones and sound exactly the same. Let's learn the difference between these two words. It's, I-T-S, is the possessive form of it. Usually we use apostrophes to show possession, but its doesn't need one. Every subject pronoun has a different possessive adjective. For example, I, my, you, your, he, his, it, its. He is a boy. His name is Carl. It is a dog. Its name is Sparky. His means belonging to he. Its means belonging to it. Let's look at some more examples. The dog's fur is white, or we could say its fur is white. The cat is eating its food. That fish is too small for its aquarium. The restaurant celebrated its 10th anniversary. Now let's look at the word its, I-T-apostrophe-S. Its is a contraction, meaning a shorter or contracted form of it is, or in some cases, it has. For example, it's a beautiful day, or it is a beautiful day. It's been raining for hours, or it has been raining for hours. Let's look at some other examples. It's my birthday today. She said it's time to go home. It's cold outside. It's been a long day. Now let's practice together. Are these sentences correct or incorrect? 1. It's going to be a long day. 2. The dog chewed its toy. 3. It's my favorite dessert. 4. The jury reached its decision. 5. It's not my fault I was late. Take a moment to write down or think about your answers for these sentences. Now let's check your answers. Numbers 3 and 4 are correct. Numbers 1, 2, and 5 are incorrect. In sentences 1 and 5, we need to write its, I-T-apostrophe-S, because we want to use the conjunction it is, and say it is going to be a long day for number 1, and for number 5, we want to say it is not my fault I was late. In sentence 2, we need to write its, I-T-S without the apostrophe, because we want to use the possessive adjective, its, to describe the toy belonging to the dog. How did you do? Let me know in the comment section how many you got correct out of 5. Now it's your turn to practice. Write sentences using its and its in the comment section of this video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to Sparkle English for more videos on how to improve your level of English. Thanks for watching.